To replace the ice chute gasket in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. For easier access to the gasket, we recommend removing the ice compartment door by using the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the door's hinge to the ice compartment liner. Now use the small flathead screwdriver and the putty knife to depress the 16 retaining tabs to release the ice chute gasket retainer from the door. You can now peel off the old gasket. To install the new ice chute gasket, align it on the retainer, making sure the small alignment bumps are inserted into the holes in the gasket. Position the assembly on the door and snap it into place. Reinstall the door by aligning the hinge on the liner, then thread the 3 screws to secure.